I'm Gary Kent with GeoLearn, and this is course number 1 of the 2021 ALTA NSPS Land Title Survey Standards. In this course, we're going to cover an introduction and sections 1 and 2, together with subsections A, B, C, and D of section 3. We're calling this an update because a lot of the content from 2016 is still valid, and we're going to continue to use those slides and that lecture. But to make it easy for you, when you see a dark blue slide with yellow lettering, you'll know this is new content for 2021. The handout for this course will include the PowerPoint slides and a copy of the 2021 standards. You may notice that on some of the slides it will show Schneider Corporation, and on some slides it will show Meridian Land Consulting LLC. I am still with the Schneider Corporation, which is now Schneider Geomatics, but I'm part-time now, so I have formed Meridian Land Consulting, and that is who I am associated with now. One of the first things I want to point out before we get started is that there's some subtle changes in the standards that need some explanation. Sometimes we make little changes to the standards for just not really important reasons, but it makes things work better. And sometimes people think those are, there's some secret meaning to what we've done when there really isn't. And this is one of those, so I want to explain it. The standards, along with many other legal documents over the years, have used the word shall in the past as being an imperative, a command, like the word must. If the word shall was there, it was a command that you have to do something. In a U.S. Supreme Court case a few years back, the court addressed this issue, and what it determined was the word shall is actually not an imperative. It is not a command. And if you want to command someone that they have to do something, the word that we need to use is must. So throughout the 2021 standards, we looked at every single use of the word shall. And in most cases, we intended it to be an imperative. And in those cases, we changed it from shall over to must. You will still see shall appear 2 or 3 times because it was the appropriate word in the context that we were using at that point. So I just want to explain that so there isn't any confusion or people wondering why we did that. This is just being consistent with a U.S. Supreme Court decision.